Hi, my name is Melissa van Dijk, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Cetaphil's Moisturizing Lotion, which is ideal for dry to normal skin types, and you can use it on your face and body. But for this demonstration I'll focus on my face and neck. It's a fragrance-free lotion that absorbs quickly into the skin, leaving a light film on the skin surface to help minimize water loss and provide relief from tight, dry and itchy skin. And you can use it daily in the morning and or evening, or whenever you feel the need. It's even safe for multiple applications throughout the day or night. However, before you apply the moisturizing lotion, I recommend cleansing your face to remove dirt, sweat and other impurities from the skin. Use a cleanser that's suitable for your skin type. For example, Cetaphil's Gentle Skin Cleanser for drier skin types, or their Hydrating Foaming Cream Cleanser for more normal skin types. And if you have worn stubborn sunscreen and or makeup, I suggest using a cleansing balm for gentle removal, and if you want to see a more in-depth video on how you can use it, it's in the top right corner. Now for this video I'm going to use Cetaphil's Hydrating Foaming Cream Cleanser, so let's get started with the demonstration. Begin by wetting your face with lukewarm water. Then take about 1 pump of the cleanser and rub it between your hands. Massage it all over your face and neck, covering all areas for about 15 to 30 seconds. After massaging, rinse off the cleanser with lukewarm water. If you're at the sink, a soft, clean, damp microfiber washcloth can be helpful. It's excellent for removing any remaining traces of cleanser, light makeup or sunscreen. If you've used the washcloth, rinse again several times to ensure all traces of the cleanser are removed. Next, take a clean towel and gently pat your face to remove any remaining water droplets. And now it's time to apply Cetaphil's Moisturizing Lotion. Pump a bean-sized amount onto your fingertips. Blend it between your fingers and then apply it evenly over your face. You can include the neck if desired. Leave it on the skin and do not wash it off. Now you can stop right here. However, if you plan to spend the day outside with prolonged sun exposure, remember that sun protection is crucial, so don't forget to use your sunscreen. I also included a PowerPoint in the description box down below, so if you want to review the steps shared in this video, including detailed directions on how to use the products I recommend, you can find them there. And I hope that this helps and that you found this video helpful, and if you did so, please don't forget to give the thumbs up and subscribe for more content. And happy skincaring!